now we're under here, and that's what underneath my car looks like. My 2.5-inch exhaust all the way back. I had to pull this plate off, and then we'll go from there. Alrighty, so I'm here about to put on my RalliTEK skid plates. Yeah, so I'm here at a friend's house. They sure do have a beautiful piece of property. But yeah, so I painted them up, made them look nice. I mean, I'm the only one that's gonna know that they're white unless my car flips over, and at least my car will match. So there they are. But yeah, I'm about to get to it. Got my tools. So yeah, I'm gonna jack it up, and then we'll talk about it. All right. Looks good. It's really easy. I mean, I don't know if it's really easy. I mean, it was easy for me. For other people it might be difficult, but yeah, so far the most time-consuming thing was jacking the car up. I mean, you just take the bolts out, pull it down, hold that up. Maybe it's difficult for someone by themselves, but I do a lot of work by myself. So I don't know, I just enjoy it. Something I can do, get out of my mind, work on my car, listen to a book on tape or something. But yeah, so that's that so far. Now we're gonna start on the transmission plate, which is right here. So there's that, and yeah, we're gonna keep working. She should be pretty good. So got that done. I think probably 2 hours. So now I'm gonna clean up, and that's it for today. That was my project. So probably go wheeling here in a little while after I get this mess cleaned up. Alrighty, thanks for checking it out. See y'all next time.